Hello everyone, Galega26 here, and today's video is how to set up the join button for a YT channel. I applied for the monetization on YouTube last March 30, 2021, and then my channel have been accepted to YPP last March 31, 2021. And today is April 5, 2021, and the membership for the join button was already there on the monetization section of my channel, and now I can set up the join button for my YouTube channel. So here we can set up the join button for a YouTube channel. So in order to fit for the membership, we need to have at least 25% views from the subscribers. Then here there are other creators. We can preview their join button. So this is the example of the join button for a channel. So there's an economy, executive, first class, super class. Next, we need to click this explore next steps. Then we will set up the first one, set up your membership offer. So we will click this start. Then I will start from scratch. Then introduction here. Then we will click next. Then we will edit. So example level name. Gali, for example. Okay, Gali smile. Then Philippines, select a price. So I'll just put the 25 pesos. Then we can add perks. So we can select here member shout outs. So I will add a description. Okay. Then done. So it's 25 pesos. Gali smile. I just name it Gali smile. Then done. Next level. So this would be the second level. So try to click this edit. Then example for the second level is Gali Hope. Okay, then Philippines. Then the amount is 49 pesos. Then add perks. Members, shout outs, member shoutouts, then the description is same. I'll just put the same description here. Perk. Same description, I'll just paste and then okay, done. Then the third level Gali Happy Philippines, and then so the popular 79, then I will add Berk, then so I'll give priority reply to comments. So same description, then I will add another perk. So just select here the shoutouts, then for the description the same instructions here. This is the third level, Gali Happy, then Philippines, and the amount is 79 popular, and then it includes access to perks from the previous levels, so member shoutouts, and then priority reply to comments. Then this is my descriptions, then done. So I already made the 3 levels, the Gali Smile. It includes membership shoutouts. Then for the Gali Hope is it includes perks from previous levels, member shoutouts, gameplay review, and for the Gali Happy is 79 per month and perks from previous levels, then priority reply to comments and member shoutouts. Then I will add new level, the 4th level. So I'll just name it Gali Super Charm, then Philippines, and then the amount is 99 per month. Okay, then includes access to perks from previous levels. So I can add another perk. Then 99 per month, and then it includes access to perks from previous levels. So I can add another perk. So I try to select here. So this is the 4th level, Gali Super Charm, and the amount is 99 pesos. And then it includes access to perks from previous levels. And then another one here is the virtual video collaborations. Then I have here a descriptions, and then done. So now I have 4 levels for the memberships offer. I have Gali Smile, 25 pesos per month, and Gali Hope, 49 pesos per month, and then Gali Happy is 79 pesos per month, and the Gali Super Charm is 99 pesos per month. Then I'm done editing each of this membership offer. Then we will click the next. So this is the level name, price per month, and the perks. And then the second of offer, the third and the fourth. Next we'll pick this one, check this one, and then submit for review. So your perks, so my perks will be reviewed usually within 24 hours, and will email you with the results. When everything looks good, you'll be able to turn on membership. So you will check and then submit. So we need to wait 24 hours. So in review, still in review. So this is the levels, level 1, 2, 3, 4. So all of this is in low levels. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.